So what is cryptography? So cryptography is Greek word. It has two, like cryptos is secret and grapho is writing. So it's a way of writing secrets. Here, Alice wants to send data to Bob, and Alice is like having some kind of a secret data, and only Bob should be able to view this data. And the data is sent over insecure channel. So how do we make sure that the insecure channel, the data which is traversing on public network to be secure? So we use encryption and decryption. Encryption and decryption are two different operations where we hide information from users who does not have a key. So here we have like an encryption key and a decryption key. Encryption key is fed to the encrypt operation, and the data becomes now unreadable to human. To make it available in plain text, you need a decryption key. So that is basically cryptography. One of the Kirchhoff principle states a cryptography system should be secure even if everything about system is public except the private key or the secret key. Moving to the definitions, plain text. So we looked at different components here, but what it means, let's take a look at it. Plain text. So plain text is unencrypted data which can be viewed without requiring a key or decrypt operation. So ciphertext. Ciphertext is actually the output of encrypt operation. And to actually view the data, encrypted data, you need a key. Insecure channel is data traversing from point A to point B over public network. Encrypt. Encrypt is an operation, it's a way of converting plain text data into random bytes, and decrypt is the vice versa, where the random bytes are converted to plain text that are human readable. Encryption and decryption, they are input to encrypt and decrypt operation. They're the key to input to encrypt and decrypt operation. So what can cryptography provides us? So cryptography provides us with confidentiality. If I'm sending data to you, only you should be able to view that data. Authenticity. If I am sending data to you, only you should be able to tell the data came from me. What does integrity mean? If I'm sending the data and when you're viewing the data, you should be able to tell this data was not tampered with. Non-repudiation. Non-repudiation is another property where you cannot say like the data was not sent by or signed by me. It should be clearly evident that data is coming from Larkins if I'm sending it to you. Anti-replay is another property of cryptography. It provides us like a way to identify and the reuse of old data. So it comes with the freshness of new data being sent. So let's map it with STRIDE. STRIDE is a threat modeling methodology. STRIDE stands for spoofing, tampering, repudiation, information disclosure, denial of service, elevation of privilege. Cryptography helps us with spoofing, tampering, repudiation, information disclosure.